So how do you turn down the volume of the iPhone? Let me show you all of the things you need to know about it. If you're new here, consider subscribing for more tutorials and videos like this. Well, of course, you can utilize the volume buttons, the physical ones on the side of the iPhone to make the volume go up and down, or go to the control center and there is a slider controller for the volume as well, and you can adjust it like this. This applies to the volume of the content that you are watching or listening to. So it is for your music, videos, or anything else. So this is a pretty simple way to turn down the volume. On the other hand, there might be some different things which make noise or sounds on the iPhone, and those are alerts, notifications, and ringtones. And those cannot be adjusted with this volume slider, but you instead have to go to the settings and check out the sounds and haptics section within the main settings page. And at the top of the list, there is going to be another volume slider, which is a separate one from the volume which we changed before. And this is, as you can see, for ringtone and alerts. So whenever you receive a notification sound or somebody calls you, here you decide how loud it's going to get. And if you want to turn it down for that part of the iPhone, then you need to dial down the volume slider here. You also have the button, or the toggle for changing the volume for the ringer with the physical buttons. So you will have the ability to use the actual buttons on the side of the iPhone to change not the content volume but the ringer volume. So that is something that you probably should know as well. But, if you have something very specific, like turning down the volume of some, I don't know, like videos or something, let me know about it. It's possible I'll make an updated video about this topic. So thanks a lot for watching. Hit a thumbs up for more, and I'll see you later in the next videos as well.